Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, and today's a busy day here in Mexico. At our house, we have coconut tree trimmers here. Our maid is here as usual, though, on this particular day. She comes twice a week. Coconut guy is unusual, and our stuff from the U.S. that we hadn't seen in 5.5 years is finally here. Yeah, we had it shipped from San Diego via truck all the way to here on the Yucatan beach community here in Yucatan, Mexico. It took a couple weeks to get here, and they're unpacking the truck and sticking our stuff in our 3 stories that we have here, ground floor and 2 stories, technically. And so they're doing that as I speak. There's a lot of people here and a lot's going on. And the truck is being unloaded. We only brought down absolute essentials, really no furniture. We did bring a really large fold-up table. That's going to be our art table. But in general, not really any furniture. Any furniture that we've gotten has been here in Mexico. It is expensive here in Mexico. And so an idea in the future, if we wanted to get some more furniture, well, we're pretty good right now, so it's not a real big deal. But we could go to San Diego, buy it, and then have this same import company, which is based in Tijuana, Mexico. So we get the Mexican pricing, and they can go over the border. They are an import company. Go to pick it up, and then bring it and do all the necessary paperwork and costs and everything to get it here. So they did that for us. We just paid them an amount to handle all of it. And it was consolidated in Tijuana with some other people that then came to Merida, and then they stuck it in a smaller truck from Merida out to the beach. We're about an hour away from Merida. So that happened today. And so it's going to be really cool to see some stuff I haven't seen in 5.5 years, actually. And then stick it away in the house and all that. Now that we actually have a house, that we live here full time, and we can do that now. So looking forward to that. And I'll show you more in the next episode. Make sure you subscribe, click on like, and leave any comments about moving to Mexico, how to get your stuff down here as well. And I'll try to answer those. We did hire a Mexican company, which has made a big difference in price. Big difference, a lot cheaper to do this. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit subscribe to the channel. Would love that. Leave a comment if you got any questions or comments about this video. And hey, make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified when I come out with new videos. And hey, why not join the Expat newsletter? An email comes out every week over at expatrebel.com. You'll learn about becoming an expat, being an expat, and even traveling the world. Yeah, go over to expatrebel.com to sign up for that, and see you guys next time. Bye.